Wanna know how to rename a project in Google AI Studio? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, what you need to do is simply open up aistudio.google.com on your favorite browser. Now, this will open up the official AI Studio. Now, once you're there, on the left side right here, you can see this build icon. Just simply select it. Now, once you're under a build icon, this is your build apps, which is done with Gemini. So right here you can see showcase, and right beside showcase you can see your apps right here. Just simply select your apps, and once you're there, right here you can see your saved prompt. Now just simply select this is your saved project. Now once the project has loaded, right here you can see this small edit icon that is right beside the name of your prompt. So simply select it, and now right here you can just simply change the name as well as description. Now you can just simply type in anything, the description as well, and then just simply select save right here. And that's it. After that, your project has been renamed. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.